Did you know that all the gold ever mined in human history could fit into just 3 Olympic-sized swimming pools? That's the rarity and allure of gold. This precious metal captivates with its shimmering hues and has been a cornerstone of wealth for millennia. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, gold's remarkable conductivity and resistance to tarnish make it indispensable in electronics and aerospace industries. Revered across cultures, gold remains a symbol of prosperity and a safe haven in turbulent times. With such a fascinating backdrop, it's no wonder the journey of producing a gold bar is equally intriguing. The journey of a gold bar begins deep within the earth, in the rugged mines of states like Nevada and Alaska. Here, buried treasures from ages past await discovery, hidden in veins of gold-bearing rock. Mining for gold is an intricate process, often requiring a blend of brute force and precision. In the vast landscapes of the United States, 2 primary methods prevail: underground mining and open-pit mining. Underground mining delves deep into the earth, where miners tunnel through rock to access gold deposits. This method is particularly common where gold is concentrated in narrow veins, demanding extensive excavation to unearth these precious resources. Conversely, open-pit mining involves removing large amounts of surface earth to expose the gold-bearing ore beneath. This type of mining is advantageous when the gold is spread out across a wider area, less concentrated. Here, colossal machinery and explosives are commonplace, as they help break down the rock and soil to reveal the gold ore. Once the gold ore is extracted, the journey is far from over. The ore must be transported, often over considerable distances, to processing facilities. This part of the process is vital and must be done with care to prevent loss of the valuable ore. Environmental considerations are also paramount in modern mining operations. Efforts to minimize ecological impact are integral, involving careful planning and rehabilitation of mining sites to their natural states where possible. Once mined, the ore containing gold is ready for the complex process of extraction and purification. After mining, the next critical step is ore processing, where the true value of gold begins to shine through. The journey from rock to refined gold is fascinating and involves several complex steps. First, the extracted ore, which contains gold mixed with other minerals, is transported to a mill. Here, it undergoes the initial crucial phase of processing, crushing. This stage reduces large chunks of ore into smaller, more manageable particles. This is typically done using large machines such as jaw crushers and cone crushers, which break down the rock into fine dust and small pebbles. Once the ore is sufficiently crushed, it's time for the gold to be separated from other minerals. This is achieved through various chemical processes, the most common being cyanidation and flotation. Cyanidation involves mixing the crushed ore with a cyanide solution, which dissolves the gold. The gold is then extracted from this solution using a process called adsorption, where activated carbon is used to pull the gold out of the solution. Alternatively, the flotation process can be used. In this method, chemicals are added to the crushed ore, which selectively binds to gold particles and brings them to the surface in a froth that can be skimmed off. These processes are meticulously controlled to maximize the extraction of gold, while minimizing the environmental impact. With the gold now separated from the ore, it moves on to further purification to meet market standards. Refinement is where gold earns its luster, undergoing processes that elevate it to the high standards expected by the market. This transformative stage is crucial, turning raw gold into a product of exceptional purity and brilliance. The journey of refinement begins with smelting, a process as ancient as it is effective. Here, gold-bearing material is heated to high temperatures, often reaching over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense heat causes the gold to melt, separating it from other base metals and impurities, which are less tolerant to such extreme conditions. The result is a molten stream of gold, purer than when it first entered the furnace. Next, we delve into the electrifying world of electrolysis. This modern technique uses electrical currents to further purify gold. The process involves passing an electric charge through the gold, causing impurities to separate and collect at different electrodes. This method is particularly valued for its ability to push gold's purity to impressive heights, often above 99.9%. Several major refineries in the United States specialize in these intricate processes. Facilities operated by leading precious metals refiners are strategically located across the country, from the bustling industrial landscapes of the East Coast to the mineral-rich expanses of the West. These refineries are the unsung heroes in the life cycle of gold, transforming it from earthbound treasure to market-ready marvel. Refined to near perfection, the gold is now ready to take a more recognizable shape. In the fabrication stage, molten gold transforms into the solid, shiny bars that symbolize wealth across cultures. Once the gold has reached its peak purity, it's ready to take on a new form. The journey from a liquid to a solid is mesmerizing. The process begins with the casting of gold. This liquid treasure is carefully poured into pre-formed molds, each destined to shape the gold into bars. The temperature is meticulously controlled, ensuring that the molten gold cools and solidifies evenly, preventing any imperfections in the final product. Gold bars are not one size fits all. They vary significantly in size, weight, and purity, tailored to meet the diverse needs and specifications of different markets. From small 1-ounce bars that individual investors might buy, to large 400-ounce bars typically held by central banks and institutions, the range is extensive. The purity of these bars is commonly set at 99.9%, making them not only a symbol of wealth, but also of high quality. Both private and government mints play pivotal roles in the fabrication of gold bars. Private mints cater to a broad audience, offering customized designs and sizes, whereas government mints, such as the United States Mint, produce standardized bars that often become part of national reserves or investment portfolios. Each bar of gold, now a tangible asset, must undergo one final crucial verification step before it hits the market. Trust in the purity and quality of gold bars is established through rigorous assaying and certification. When a gold bar leaves the refinery, its journey isn't quite finished. The next crucial step is assaying, a meticulous process where the gold's purity and quality are tested. Assayers use a variety of methods to examine gold bars. One common technique is fire assay, considered the gold standard for accuracy in gold measurement. In this process, a small sample is melted with lead oxide, allowing all base metals to oxidize and separate from the precious gold, which is then weighed to determine its purity. Another method employed is X-ray fluorescence, XRF, spectrometry. This non-destructive technique uses X-rays to analyze the bar's surface, providing a fast and accurate reading of its elemental composition. This method is particularly favored for its speed and the fact that it does not require the gold to be damaged or altered. The role of certification in this process cannot be overstated. Certifying bodies ensure that each gold bar meets stringent international standards for quality and purity. These certifications aren't just pieces of paper. They are assurances of trust and authenticity in the global marketplace. They confirm that the gold bars are exactly what they claim to be, meeting or exceeding the precious metal content standards required for trade and investment. Each certified gold bar is stamped with a hallmark, a serial number, and the assayer's mark, serving as its passport in international markets. Certified and ready, these gold bars are now set to enter the markets, carrying with them the legacy of centuries of human fascination with gold. From the rugged depths of the earth to the polished sheen of investment portfolios, gold bars tell a story of transformation. This journey begins in the vast landscapes of states like Nevada and Alaska, where the mining process extracts gold from the embrace of the earth. Here, powerful machinery and skilled workers unearth ore that holds the promise of gold. Once mined, this ore travels to processing facilities where it undergoes a meticulous separation process. Techniques like cyanidation and flotation help to unlock the gold from its mineral confines, setting the stage for the next critical phase. Refining is where the gold's purity is enhanced, through methods such as smelting and electrolysis. This stage ensures that the gold meets the high standards required for further transformation. Fabrication then molds this refined gold into tangible bars, each varying in size and weight, tailored for markets ranging from investment to collection. Finally, assaying and certification confirm each bar's purity and quality, sealing it with a trust that resonates with buyers worldwide. Understanding the meticulous process behind each gold bar allows us to appreciate not just its financial value, but its significant place in human culture and history.